LED bulb, H4 connector. I suppose if I wanted to delete my signal lights, I could make these into signals. See if it works. The car is jacked up to pull the tires off. I am using jack stands. Taking the wheels off isn't necessary, but it'll make the change a lot easier. I'll start with the driver's side. Look like I have 3 screws to take out. One there, there, and there. One's missing up there. I'll see if I have some on hand. I have it on the operating table. Looks like 3 screws will take off this trim ring. That'll come off, and then the new light can go in its place. I was thinking, that sucks. That little hole. I can't pass this through that. At the time I wired the car, I didn't know I was gonna get some new headlights. And I didn't think about that. But I guess the animal inside me must have knew not to hardwire the wires in, so I could pass it straight through. And I'm realizing now, I could have just pushed down on the tabs inside there and pulled the whole wires out and put them back in when I got through. Either way, I don't care about this set of wires, so I'll just cut them out. That's what it would look like. I'm gonna pull it back out, take the other housing off, give them a nice little cleaning and paint, and then install them. A little more sanding and I'll put some primer on it. Mainly want to get that rust out. Three coats of primer. After 3 coats of paint, I'll let that dry overnight and come back and assemble them again in the morning. They've had a few hours to cure. They came out decent. I'm not a professional spray painter. Broke a tab on accident. I drilled some little holes and I'm gonna fix that. I have these double cap rivets that should do the job. These turned out awesome. Get them back on the car. I got all 4 screws in. I can see why that top right one wasn't in. That was a little hard to get. Got the ground. Followed suit on this side. Got 4 screws in and the ground. That's a bright light. And that's the low beam. The install's good. Unfortunately, my headlight switch isn't working right. Seeing only one light's coming on at a time, and it's random, or neither come on. I knew something's been wrong with it, and I've been watching out for a new one to come up for sale. They're back ordered at Z Car Depot. Regardless, the headlights are ready for when I get a new switch.